I'm Sierra, and I'm going to be giving a tutorial on the Camera Lucida app. So, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the app, and then you're going to set up your stand. So actually, we're going to put this to the side, and you can make your stand out of anything. You can make it out of wood, you could make it out of books. Just to show you, I've got an example here. I have tape. You can use tape for a stand. You actually could even take the tape off of the tape to tape down your piece of paper because you don't want your paper to move. I also have a old yogurt container for the stand, and then just a bucket of paint. You can use anything for a stand, but you can purchase some online if you really want to just not have to make a pyramid of things every time, but that is up to you. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our iPad or device or whatever we have over the piece of paper. Then we're going to open up our picture that we're going to be drawing. So I've got a picture loaded from the jolly fellow Robin Hood from Robin Hood in 1922. So you can see that when I've loaded it up, I can move this image all around and it becomes transparent so you can see underneath what we've got going on. So I've got my hand here, my eraser here, just to give you an idea of how much you're able to see through it. So I should mention that if you have purchased a stand, then you need to be careful about keeping your iPad or your device level with your drawing field. So they both need to be even with each other, otherwise the image itself might end up warped or distorted. Once you've got your image loaded onto the screen, then you can adjust it however you need to, and then when you've hit the lock-in button, which is this little button right here with the hand and the pencil, then it's going to stop your image from moving around after that. So you can adjust your opacity then, so you can have it all the way down where you see everything underneath, or you can have it all the way up where you can just see the image and nothing with your hand below it. But really what you want ideally is an in-between, because then you're going to be able to see what you're drawing. So let's get started. So what you want to do is you're going to want to start to sketch. So really what you're doing is you're looking at your screen while you're drawing and not the paper. So now let's say that I can't quite see the details of his eyes enough. The eyes are really important, you know, windows to the soul and everything. So if you want, you can double tap the screen and it's going to zoom in over where you're drawing. Then you're able to see a lot better. So you can continue to draw like that. But if you wanted to zoom out, you can also double tap the screen or use your fingers to pull out. Same with zooming in, you can do that as well. Alright, so that's what I have for you today. You can see the comparison between the image and the drawing that I did. I just did a really fast sketch so you can see how the app works. But it's really that you're looking at your screen and not the paper that you're drawing on. But that's what I have for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.